Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to draw on a PDF in DocHub. Whether you're marking up documents, providing feedback, creating annotations, or highlighting specific areas visually, DocHub's drawing tools make it easy to add freehand sketches directly to your PDF. So let's get started. First, sign in to your DocHub account and open the PDF you want to edit. If the document isn't already available in your account, upload it from your computer or import it from a supported cloud storage service. Continue drawing and annotating throughout the document as needed. This feature is especially useful when reviewing files, collaborating with team members, or providing visual feedback on specific sections. As you work, review your annotations to ensure they're clear and positioned correctly. If you make a mistake, use the undo option or select the drawing element to edit or remove it. Once you're satisfied with your changes, save the document. You can then download the updated PDF, share it with others, or continue managing it within your DocHub account. And that's how to draw on a PDF in DocHub. With DocHub's built-in drawing tools, you can easily add visual annotations, feedback, and handwritten markings without needing additional software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.